जय श्रीमन्नारायण। शत्रुघ्न, उत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठ, come on, get up, please go ahead and call on Guha. Tarayishyati Vahinim, we have to cross this Ganga river. Then Shatrughna got up. He is saying to Bharata that, oh my dear brother, I did not sleep at all last night. जागर्मिनाहं स्वपिमि तमेव आर्यं विचिन्तयन्. I was just not at all going to sleep, but I was just always thinking about my Rama entire night. Oh Bharata, I am now going to go to Guha and call on. While both Bharata and Shatrughna were talking like that, Guha already came over there and did namaskaram to both of them and did ask them that how did you all sleep last night. For which Bharata saying that, Guha, you have taken care of all of us very well. I am very much satisfied. Guha, now you have to cross all of us, help us cross this Ganga river. Immediately Guha called on all of his people. Very next, within few hours, 500 Panchanavam Setanyasu, 500 boats were kept ready. And also along with that, 2 big boats also came down. And one boat, Guha himself started driving and he brought another boat. Then Bharata and Shatrughna got into the boat which was driven by Guha. And then Purohitas, all the Acharyas, Brahmanas, Kausalya, Sumitra, Kaikeyi, all those queens, they all got into another boats. Then all the boat drivers, they helped all the horses, chariots and bullock carts, all the bullocks, everything was got into other boats. Then boat drivers started driving all the boats and they all crossed other banks of the river Ganga and they all got down. Then Bharata along with the entire army started traveling towards Bharadwaja ashramam. They all reached Prayaga, the forest. There Bharata said the entire army that you all take rest for a while. After that, Bharata along with Vasishtha and other rishis, they started traveling towards Bharadwaja ashramam. From a distance, they could see Bharadwaja ashramam. There, immediately Bharata, what he thought, he got down from his vehicle and he also put down all his weapons, all his ornaments, and he did tied up all nice cloths. And then along with Vasishtha and some other mantris, some other ministers, Bharata started walking towards Bharadwaja ashramam on his pedestal way. From a distance again now he is able to see Bharadwaja Maharshi himself. Then Bharata said to all the ministers that you all stop over here. Then having Vasishtha Maharshi walking in front of him, Bharata went towards Bharadwaja ashramam while having darshanam of Bharadwaja Rishi. Jagama Anupurohitam. Having Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi walking prior to him, ahead of him, Bharata reaching Bharadwaja ashramam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.